Some alternatives for substituting yogurt are vegetable drinks or foods prepared with them. Almond or soy milk can replace yogurt. Smoothie and freshly whipped cheese represent other options. Yogurt is a creamy dairy product obtained by fermentation of milk-specific microorganisms. The best type of yogurt substitute you want to use depends on what you are using the product. If you are looking for an option without cow's milk, some of the alternatives can be foods made with vegetable drinks such as soy milk or almond milk. But, if a yogurt substitute is needed to prepare a dish, a good option is sour cream or tofu. Kefir is also a great substitute for yogurt, since both are rich in protein, vitamins, and are a source of minerals such as phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. The choice of the yogurt substitute depends on why it is happening, whether it is lactose intolerance or switching to a vegan diet, then it is possible to choose plant-based products. If it is to reduce the consumption of extremely industrialized foods, it is possible to opt for more natural yogurts reading the product label. Choosing the best substitute depends on the reason for the replacement. Yogurt is creamy, rich, high in calcium, probiotics, and protein. Whether you don't like yogurt, it's too expensive, or just strong in flavor, here are the best substitutes. You can use sour cream, cottage cheese, cream cheese, mayo just like you would yogurt in the same ratio. However, when using buttermilk you would require 1/4 less than yogurt. Yogurt is a dairy food that is an excellent source of calcium and protein. As yogurt is very versatile, there are many possible substitutes. These include sour cream, cottage cheese, cream cheese, buttermilk, or custard.